I am a 28-year person in state and local tax. I started my career right out of college and started my career at Big Five at the time, and started actually doing state income tax. So my trajectory was a little different from some of the people that, I think from a sales tax institute's perspective may be have as speakers, but as I've progressed in my career, I got more familiar with sales tax because I really kind of had to be a holistic state and local tax provider and consultant. And so I've been doing this, like I said, for 28 years and a director at TaxOps now, with stops, like I said, at Big Five. I went in-house for a few years, and then I came back out, as we call boomeranged, back into public accounting after that, and have been now with TaxOps for 4.5 years. I think it's a lot about helping people. I think what we like to do as state and local tax practitioners is help taxpayers, other practitioners understand really the nuances in state and local tax, whether it's, sales tax, income tax, whatever the, type of state tax that might be at issue, to break it down into something that's more easier to understand, as well as easier to apply on a day-to-day basis. And so I like to be able to help, like I said, practitioners and other taxpayers break that down, break those laws down so that they can understand what they mean, but then also apply them from a practical perspective. I am a person who likes to make connections. And like I said, I think that I do like to help taxpayers and other practitioners understand the law, but then also make those connections and create those relationships with people so that we can, continue to, learn from each other, and then also kind of share best practices in that environment. And so I'm really looking forward to sitting down with everybody and understanding kind of where they're coming from and helping them, with their day-to-day life in sales tax.